Hi y'all. So I thought I did a video and I didn't, and I already put everything away. So annoying. Um, so the video that I just did was showing you the Calvin Klein 14s jeans that are non-stretch, um, the black leather crop halter, not halter, racer back leather top that I want to wear, hopefully to the concert. And an alternate shirt if I can't get into the leather top, which is a Joyce Leslie back in the day. Very, very pretty top. So I tried on all three and I took some photos. The jeans are going to be a tough one. So I'm an 18 now stretch, which ultimately makes me a size 20. If I lose the 40 pounds, I might, keyword, might, when you see the jeans, they're not even close to my hips. So that is my goal, is to get into them by the concert. However, my 1 year weigh-in is on May 25th of 24. And that's going to be give me another 2 more months to get into those jeans. Goals. The leather top I can get on, not easily, but I can get it on. It's a large. Can't close it. It's not a shirt you wear a bra with, or you do wear a bra. It's designed to just stand alone. I can't close it, so I got it on though, so we're getting there, right? The alternate top I will definitely for sure be in because it's a medium, but it has stretched material. It's just super tight, so it doesn't sit quite right. It's got to be looser, and it will be looser, especially in 40 more pounds. And that's it. So stay tuned for the photos. Okay? All right, bye.